I'm going all in on altcoins right now. I'm buying up everything. I don't care. I don't care what anyone's doing. I don't care if you're selling or whatever you're doing. I'm going all in right now. Let me tell you why. If it sounds interesting, drop that like, give me a subscribe. Welcome back to Cryptogains. The market is in extreme fear. Smart money buys the market in extreme fear. They don't sell here. So if you're sitting there and you're selling your cryptocurrency, fine, sell it. Sell it at a loss. Or if you've got a little bit of profits left, sell it and make your little change. But I'm telling you, I'm buying this flip. I'm all in. I'm going all in on AI coins. I bought a flipping meme coin. What the hell's going on with me? I'm buying a meme coin. I bought some gaming coins. I'm buying this market like a boss. Like an absolute boss. So let me show you what I'm doing right now. Not financial advice. Do whatever the flip you want to do. Patrons has been seeing this. These are all the buys that I've been doing over the last sort of just March alone. Look, March 11th, March 10th, highlight here. Look, March 10th, March 10th, March 10th, March 9th, March 8th. I've been buying March 5th, March 1st. That's just March. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 coins I've been buying just in March alone. If I go back to February, flipping ton of coins. February 27th, February 26th, February 26th, February 25th, February 25th, February 20th. I'm going all in. Because I'm buying, and I have been buying for the most part when it's been an extreme fear or fear. Extreme fear. I'm going to make massive gains like you've never seen before. And then in 3 months' time, maybe maybe May, so all of March, April, May, I'm going to look back at this moment and go, wow. Because I've had the most insane steal of a buys. It's like I said to you in my last video, it's like the holy godsend to be buying these, for me personally, AI coins. Because I'm deep, I'm heavy in AI, I'm going all in. Now's the time. I don't want to be buying when it's right up here, when the hype has come and it's right up. Because I tell you, when this goes back to all-time highs, I make a whooping. Because look, this is AI 16Z, falling down 93%. When it goes back to all-time highs, 1,281%. All of these coins, let me show you some of these. Look, GPU, it's down 92%. When this goes back to all-time highs, actually let me bring it up a bit on the little green line, it's moving up a little. When it comes back up to here, which is its all-time high, I make it green. This is going to be a whopping 1,000%, 1,020. It's easy 10x, just a clean 10x. What's this? Haven't bought this, but I'm just saying it's down some 80%. So when these coins go back up to its all-time high, you're talking, well, it's gone up a little bit now. The market's starting to come up again. You're just talking clean X gains. That's a 355% pump. I haven't been buying render, but I've been buying a lot of stuff. Patrons have seen these buy alerts. There's a ton of them. I'm going all in, guys. Do what you want. You might think I'm crazy, but let me show you why I think now's the time to buy. I got a few charts up. This is just Bitcoin. I'll show you this. I'll show you this. This is the Gaussian channel. On the weekly time frame, we haven't even entered it. You know, in the last cycle, right, we saw two tops. We saw a massive surge after the COVID event. We fell down in price. We bounced and hovered off the top of this Gaussian channel, because if you enter it, it's danger, man. It's in flipping deep trouble. We're coming out the other end, and when we come out the other end, we're falling a bit 50-60% dump, right there, bomb. And it happens every time we come out on the other end. If we come out here, look at this, bang, massive drop down of at least 40% there, right? But we haven't entered it yet. In the last cycle, we bounced off it. We saw another high. Only once we entered it, that was the danger zone, and that's it. You flipping better think twice what you're doing, because you've missed the top. Look at this weekly time frame. I think the weekly one is the most precise because there's no false signals. So when we come down and we're in this, and when we finally start to come out, we're trying to work our way out. We finally get out. When we are finally out, full on green candles out, that's it. So take a look. We haven't even come down to test this yet. Back in March, we had a massive top. Well, I said a top, massive call off. We went massive rally up, and this is when I told you I was selling. I did my time capsule video. I'll be bringing another time capsule, and then it went, sideways downwards, down about 40% from here to here. Is about 40%. But look at it. We bounced off the top of the Gaussian channel. We never entered it. which is why we was able to continue. I mean, if the price enters it and we start to get candles, confirmed candles inside, I will make a video. But as it stands, we haven't entered it yet. Actually, we haven't even kissed it. And I think that Bitcoin will see one more final move up. This is what I believe. I've been believing it for a while. And if we take a look at this over here, this is I'm just using averages. You know, you're moving averages, simple moving averages. I've got the 21, the 50, and the 100, and then just some dark corbel. You don't want to know about them yet. I'll tell you about them another day. So, in a bull market, let's just have a look at the past. In a bull market, relatively, we want to stay above this green line. You know, we want to bounce off this green line and off and away we go. And you can see it here in the last 2017 cycle. This was a nice clean cycle, like a clean rally. We bounced above the green line, bounced. If we ever did fall below, we came down to this orange line. We saw a wick, came back up on the wick. We got the full-bodied candles above the green line. That's clean, man. And then it's not easy to have that in a cycle, especially as the cycle, as the bull market, as the crypto market matures. And more things come into play, more money comes in. You don't get much volatile swings, and it's more matured. And obviously, some of us believe that the market's being controlled heavily as well, you know. So, but even times like here, right? Most of the time, we're staying above the green line. If we take a look at what's happened recently, right here. So we have our bear market. I know it looks confusing with some of the lines. Just hear me out. We have our bear market. Look at the price. Red, 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 green candles, red candles. We finally break above. We get a little bit of support off the green. Can you break above? We finally go clean flying. Now we're here. So we have our first rally here, right? Then we call off. We can't hold support off this green line. We come down to this orange line, right? Right down here. We pierced through it a little bit, but for the most part, all of the bodied candles, the price action was above this orange line. So if we take a look at where we are now, today, based on this video, we see another surge up, we come down, we can't hold support on this green. I even said to you in my last videos, it's likely we could come down and test this orange line and come right off this orange line. And so far, now it finally did it. It finally came down, hit this orange line, which is our 50-week moving average. It's a popular moving average line that most people look at. And because if you break that and you start seeing candles underneath, you might have to think twice. Held support off of it. You see the wick, the buy wick come back up. And now we're sort of where we are today, right? If Bitcoin's going to go off and do one more final rally, I believe that the altcoins will absolutely surge. Why? Because I feel like they've just been fully decimated. Like, everybody's just given up hope and everything. Giving the smart heads, the ones that are still here wanting to make serious money in the future, a chance to buy these at prices you never thought you would have had before. And I'm showing you AI16Z as an example, because AI is going to dominate in 2025. AI agents will continue to dominate, because I'm hearing people like Kathy Woods telling me that she loves AI. And more specifically, AI agents, how she thinks they're going to change the world. Decentralized AI agents. Check her out. Go on YouTube, search Kathy Woods AI agents. So this puts me at the forefront. I think AI16Z will be the runner. I think this is going to be the mother, the leader. We saw things like Virtuous Protocol, what I shared you, 100x, it was great. It did more than that. But I feel like now we're just seeing absolute steal of a bias for some of these coins, especially ones that I missed out on. This is a mid cap. I'm playing with a mid cap, but because I'm playing with a mid cap, I can put more money in. Well, I put more money in. I put a huge amount of money in because I think that I'm going to see a massive turnover. Because when this does a 10x, look at this. When it goes back to just 12x, almost a 13x, puts it back at its all-time highs, I think it's going to do it. And I don't care what anyone else believes. But I'll talk about it in the future with you when we get back up there, right? 13x from now puts me just I've got made money, man. It'll just be the easiest millions that I've ever made. And if you've been watching my channel, you know this because of the amount of money that I invested into AI16Z. But these are the times I've been buying here, this bit here, extreme fear. I'm going all in. No, I am. I'm now all in. Right now, I'm all in on extreme fear, all in on all these coins that I'm buying. So I'm going to sit back. Where is it? I'm going to sit back. I'm just going to enjoy the ride. I'm just chilling, man. I'm going to watch my Netflix. I might play some games. Got the Mario Party and stuff. I'm waiting for Nintendo Switch 2 to come out. I'm just going to be chilling, man. I got my phone. This is what I'm doing now. I'm just chilling, looking at my phone, Don't know what I'm doing. Look at my emails. And you're watching me watching you, we're watching me, chilling. I'm just chilling now. I'm done. He's still here. Drop the like. I'm just chilling now, man. Because the market's I know it's gonna turn around. So maybe some insane gains. I'm just chilling, man. I'm just playing my games. What games have I got? Oh, let me square, yeah. That's that game yeah, that's that Play Network, yeah. I see it gives play. Just chilling. I'm just chilling, man. I'm playing this game. I'm chilling. He's still here. He's still here. I'm just chilling, man. You can just chill around a bit. You chilling as well, yeah? Just chill with me. Let me put this loud, you can hear me as well. I'm just chilling, man. Because I know what's going to happen. Wait, like this. Yeah. I messed that up. I messed that up. Let me try. You still here? You still here? I'm just playing with you guys. I am. I'm just chilling now. I'm going to go and make something to eat. I want some breakfast or some lunch. Whatever. I don't know what time it is. Yeah, it's lunchtime now. I'm just enjoying the day now, man, because now's the time. Now's the time to just enjoy. I've done my buys. I'm happy with my buys. 3 months from now, I'm going to be laughing even more. And the ones that are still here buying now, you're going to be laughing even more. It's been disgusting, I know. Guys, become a Patreon. The link is in my info section. Click it. I'm trying to make you laugh, trying to make you feel good. What's it saying that for? Stupid Microsoft thing. I got 7 tiers. Take your pick. I recommend my exclusive VIP. Why is it showing that? I'm feature planning. Where's my tiers? Where's my tiers? Showing my tiers. Yeah. I can't find. I used to have my tiers out. It's not showing it. Hold on. I'll find it. Hold on. Here, memberships. 7 tiers, take your pick. Exclusive VIP partner tiers is the one I recommend because that unlocks all my posts. See, I'm just chilling. You'll see everything I'm doing, but most of all, you will see when I'm selling, right? Because there will be a time where I'm just going to sell everything. And I'm going to capitalize massively. I'm telling you now. Thank you, universe, for everything that I have. I've had them on my back to receive. I'm attracting it like an absolute, did you say it? Boss. Yeah. If you can't afford it, the CEO tier gives you access to my VIP Telegram group. It's a powerful network. Shout out to those that are stuck around in this group. You guys are crazy. I believe in you guys. You're mad because you don't have to be here. So I really appreciate the people that are here. I believe that they're doing the right thing. Well, forget, even if they didn't join mine, someone else, I just think they're doing the right thing in the crypto space. They're serious investors. And the fact that you guys are still around shows that you're serious investors, even through these disgusting vaults. So big up to you guys. I enjoy talking to you, yeah? And if you guys want to become a part of a powerful network, come join it. You're super alerted. They're buying projects all the time, most of the time before I buy them, yeah? So they have the chance to capitalize, get in before I do for the most part. Then I'm buying, selling, whatever. Oh, buying, just send to the group, buy loads. I'm trying to get it out. And that's what I'm doing. Guys, check it out quick because what I'm doing. Yeah, you're super alerted. Part of a powerful network. And what's this? Important announcement. Something to patrons. Yeah. Guys, thank you for watching. Have a good day. I'm just chilling, man. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.